In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a free shipping progress bar in your Shopify store. A free shipping progress bar is a great way to encourage customers to add a little more to their cart to unlock free shipping. We'll be using a popular app from the Shopify App Store, and I'll walk you through everything from installation to customization and activation on your live theme. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. At the top of the page, click into the search bar. From the drop-down that appears, select Apps. In the search field, type Free Shipping Bar. This will open results from the Shopify App Store. Look for the app called Hextum Free Shipping Bar in the search results, then click on it. Go ahead and install the app and follow all of the installation prompts until you're taken into the app dashboard. Once the app is installed, you'll land inside the Hextum Free Shipping Bar dashboard. Here, click on Create New Bar. The app will ask you to choose a template. As you click through templates, keep an eye on the live preview on the right-hand side of the screen. This preview updates as you change settings, so it's very useful to see exactly how your bar will look on your store. Next, give your free shipping bar a clear name so you can easily recognize it later. Then set your free shipping goal, which is the minimum cart value that will unlock free shipping. Customize your messages. The initial message when the cart is empty, the progress message as customers add items, and the goal achieved message once they qualify for free shipping. You can also choose what happens when someone clicks the bar. Set the call to action to none or make the entire bar clickable. For example, sending customers to a collection. Enable the progress bar by selecting Yes from the drop-down. Then adjust your design. Choose a font style and size, and set the padding in pixels to control spacing. Pick your text color, background color, and special text color, and decide if you want rounded corners by checking or unchecking the box. You can tweak the background opacity so the bar is more solid or more transparent. Under background style, choose between a single color, gradient, pattern image, or fitted image, depending on your branding. If you want animation, open the effects section and select a motion option from the drop-down. Then configure your currency settings. Choose the currency, add the currency symbol, select the symbol position, and turn auto currency conversion on or off. Now set when and where the bar appears. Choose the display position on the page, set a display schedule if you want it to run only during certain dates or times, and decide whether to hide the bar when the cart is empty. You can also fine-tune targeting configurations so the bar only appears for specific audiences or pages, and optionally add custom code if you're comfortable with advanced settings. When you're happy with everything, click Save at the bottom right or at the top near the search bar. Next, let's make sure the bar is enabled on your actual storefront. In your Shopify admin, look at the left-hand panel and click Online Store. You'll see your theme list with your current theme at the top. On your current theme, click Edit Theme. Inside the theme editor, look at the leftmost side and click the App Embeds icon, which is just below the gear icon. In the App Embeds list, search for FSB Course Snippet. Once you find it, make sure the toggle is turned on so it's enabled. Now look at the preview on the right side of the screen, and you should see your free shipping progress bar displayed on the store. If it's not in the perfect spot, go back into the app to adjust position or styling, then return to the theme editor to confirm. When everything looks good, click Save in the top right corner of the theme editor. Your free shipping progress bar is now active on your Shopify store and ready to help nudge customers toward that free shipping goal.